Points of View database. This is our tour on the Points of View database. We are going to start from the library homepage. As you can see, Points of View is under Find Articles. As you know from our website tour in Lecture 1, all of our electronic resources for the most part are here under Find Articles. You can Find Articles by subject. You can search alphabetically. But you can also go down here to New and Frequently Used Databases, and we are going to scroll down to Points of View. The Points of View Reference Center, a full-text database designed to provide students and schools with a series of controversial essays that present multiple sides of a current issue. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Points of View, and the first thing that is going to happen as it loads is it is going to cue me to enter my library card. For those of you that do not have a library card yet, you need to come into the Solano College Library and get one. If you go back to the introductory lecture, there is a tour on how to get a library card. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my library card, and then we'll be off and running. And the database loads. Okay, so this is the Points of View Reference Center. And as the blurb said before, this is a database that presents two different sides on a social issue. You can see just by looking here some of the different overall topics that we can look at. We can also click on View All Topics. And then there was also the search bar, so you could search on something in particular. So you can see all the different topics that are covered in this database. If you don't have a topic yet for your paper, this is a great place to get started. You can come in and just scroll through and see things and get some ideas of things that you might want to look for. We started with immigration. Already we can see immigration is a general immigration and then immigration restrictions. I'm going to click on the larger immigration. And it will then go into subtopics. So when you need to narrow your topic, say from a large one like immigration, you can actually start to narrow using this database. Again, here's immigration restrictions or federal identification cards. So that's an interesting way to go with immigration. So I'm going to click on that. And it will now take me into the results page. Now these hits or these sources are all combined by this company to go under the topic of immigration. You'll find that this is not going to be the case with the large general periodical databases, but here in Points of View they are selected for you. And you can see that we have the Points of View articles, periodical articles, which are scholarly journal articles, newspaper articles, books, radio and TV transcripts, primary source documents, images, and videos. So the Points of View, make sure you read in the lecture my comments about Points of View. You can see national identification cards, an overview. Again, a great pre-search place, a great place to get an idea about your topic. And then there's the point. We should have national ID cards, the counterpoint, they're unnecessary, and then a final kind of summing up critical analysis. If you're interested in the article, you just click on it. It will take you into the article. You can read it, print it, email it to yourself. There's all kinds of fun stuff in here. What experts say, research guides also are here in the database. Those are helpful as well. So here is your article. Okay, and then I'm going to actually go back to my result list and look under some of the other tabs. You can see we have periodical articles. Click on that, get some selected articles from scholarly journals about immigration, or actually not even immigration, because now we've narrowed down to national identification card. So here are some from Newsweek, not totally a scholarly journal, it's saying periodical. We'll discuss this all later in the other databases. Some ebooks are here. Again, a really nice database just to do some basic searching on your topic, but as you can see, we just started out, we had the overall topic of immigration, and very quickly we got the idea to move into national ID cards, and then you could maybe choose one side or the other to write on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log out, and we will move on to our next tour, which will be of Gale reference books.